Most people get stuck trying to activate Hulu with ATT because they skip one important step during setup. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is creating the wrong Hulu account before linking your AT&T plan. Here's the truth, no one tells you. If your AT&T plan includes Hulu access, the activation process is actually very simple once you know the correct order. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to activate Hulu with AT&T in 2026, how to connect your accounts properly, and what to do if the activation link is not working. Let's get straight into it. First, make sure your AT&T plan actually includes Hulu access. Not every wireless or internet package comes with streaming benefits. You can check this by logging into your AT&T account and reviewing your included entertainment perks or plan details. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many users already have an old Hulu account, and that can sometimes create confusion during activation. For example, Alex tried signing up for a brand new Hulu account even though his AT&T email was already connected to an older Hulu subscription. That caused account conflicts immediately. So before doing anything else, decide whether you're linking an existing Hulu account or creating a new one. Next, open your AT&T account dashboard on the app or website. Look for the entertainment benefits or streaming section. Depending on your plan, you may see Hulu listed there with an activation button. Tap Activate, Get Started, or Redeem. This is where most people fail. They accidentally close the activation page too early or log into the wrong Hulu account during setup. Once redirected to Hulu, sign in carefully using the correct email. If you don't already have a Hulu account, you'll be prompted to create one. After logging in, Hulu should automatically confirm the AT&T linked subscription. But here's the problem. Sometimes users see errors saying the offer is unavailable or already redeemed. In many cases, this happens because an old Hulu subscription is still active separately under a different billing setup. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest fix for that. First, check whether your existing Hulu account already has direct billing through Hulu, Apple, Roku, or another provider. Some billing types may need to be canceled first before AT&T activation works properly. Users like Jake often forget this step and keep retroing the activation link without fixing the billing conflict. Another smart tip is using the same email address for both accounts whenever possible. That makes account linking much smoother. Now here's another important thing. If the AT&T activation page keeps loading endlessly or failing, try clearing your browser cache.